Planning as an activity. Planning is a household word today. Perhaps there is no sphere of activity where planning is not used in one context or the other these days. Though planning is an instrument of aiming at future and has been in vogue in business since long time. It's used at a macro level for the gearing up of operation of government towards the attainment of certain targets is of recent origin. Our 5 years plan are an example of macro level planning for the achievement of target aimed at increasing the standard of living of our people. Planning thus means having a view of the future and deciding in advance where we would like to be and what is to be done in order to reach there. Planning starts with the definition of the objectives and the formulations of the specific goals or targets to be achieved. Goals are derived from the analysis of existing situations of an organization and once defined provide a sense of direction to all managerial activities in order to achieve the goals. Specific plans are drawn up. Objectives, goals, or targets provides answer to the question where is the organization heading to. Planning is essentially concerned with the future since future conditions are unknown. Forecasts or estimates must be made to provide a basis for planning. You will appreciate that better forecasts lead to better planning for future, while most forecasts are made intuitively or on the basis of experience. Mathematical tools have been seen developed to make more accurate forecasts. Planning is done by manager at all levels of organization. You will see that all managers plan through the character and breed at planning may differ at different level of organization. For example, while an assistant engineer at work site plans for accomplishment of work at his site from day to day or for 2 or 3 days in advance, the chief project manager must plan for the whole project over a larger period of time. Similarly, a multinational company's top management must plan over a longer time frame for a worldwide market. Planning is a mean to some end as such involves choice among alternatives goals, alternative programs and alternative means of achievement. What alternatives to choose gives rise to decision making which every manager will be required to do. Question: do you plan your day? How? Do you plan for your holiday vacations? How and why? Have you actively participated in the planning of some big events like an annual function of your college or the marriage of a female relative of yours? Recapitulate recapitulate how the event was planned. If you have given to the above questions, you must have sensed the need for planning any activity whatsoever. Planning is considered important because it attempt to offset uncertainty by foreseeing the future and bringing about preparedness of the happenings in future. In this way, it minimizes the chances of mistakes. Second, focuses attention on the objectives or goals of the organization and their attainment. Third, leads to economy in operation through the selection of the best possible course of action. Fourth, helps in controlling the activities by providing measures against which performance can be evaluated. Fifth, help in coordinating the operation of an enterprise since a well considered plan embarrasses and unifies of the divisions of an enterprise.